Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is positive action. It's time to, with the great ideas you've been coming up with, you've been coming up with strategies because you're a genius. You're the starter. You're the starter kit. You are anti-procrastination. So you have an idea on what to do. It may be something that you have not seen done before. Maybe you've never done it before, but I need you to put that positive action into action, that progressive action into action. Take those steps forward today. I guarantee you're in the right place, right time, and you will be rewarded for the results by using your faith, by actually putting some bite behind that bark, walk behind that talk. We've been thinking about it for a while. Now it's time to implement some positive action to make sure that your dreams resonate and actually come to life. I focus on the beauty in me because you're so beautiful. And I find silence in your place to be, your place of silence. That's where you find a lot of power. You can think, and you can think of your next step. I live and honor the present by doing what I can now, and what I cannot change, I let go. And I trust to God. So maybe something that you're doing today is not going according to plan. Maybe it's scheduled for tomorrow. Do what you can today. The things that are not happening going your way today, maybe is date to be done maybe next week. Try again tomorrow, the next day, and the next day, until it's the time that you actually meet the expectations of what you want to do today. But if something's not going your way, let it go. Let God. Do something else. If A doesn't work, do B. Come back to A tomorrow or next week. Today is a day of progression. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love you. I love you. And be kind to yourself and love yourself. Love you.